In earthworks, the map is your command center. It is where decisions are made and progress is tracked. But to truly move the needle on operator efficiency, you need your map to be more than just a picture. It needs to be a live, digital whiteboard. Today, we're going to show you how to use Propeller's markup tools to bridge the gap between the office and the field. You'll learn how to set a high-contrast foundation with base maps, build a standard visual vocabulary using templates, sync critical hazard data to your crew's mobile devices in real time. We have organized this guide into 5 chapters to help you master the workflow at your own pace. You can scrub through the progress bar below to jump to specific chapters, but we highly encourage you to watch the full video. Understanding how these tools connect is the key to protecting your project margins and keeping your team safe. Let's dive into Part 1 and set your foundation. Part 1. The foundation. Before a single drone flies, your base map is your foundation. Think of base maps as your starting point for project planning. Use the satellite plus road view to orient your team with real-world landmarks. But when you need to strip away the noise to focus purely on your design, switch to the None option. This creates a high-contrast digital canvas, making it easier to bridge the gap between the office and the field, even before your first survey. Choosing the right view isn't just about looks, it's about clarity. A clean background ensures your markups and design files are the stars of the show. Let's set the stage. Part 2. Precision markups and hazards. To highlight a specific location, select the polygon tool and click to place your nodes around the perimeter. For faster, more informal callouts, like a morning toolbox talk, switch to the Draw tool. This allows you to sketch freehand directly on the map. By documenting and saving these zones digitally, you ensure every team member is looking at the same plan, which eliminates any confusion. Part 3. The visual vocabulary. Consistency is the key to site safety. By saving your custom styles as templates, you create a visual vocabulary. When your entire crew knows that a dashed red line always means live utility and a yellow pin always means daily hazard, you eliminate the guesswork and keep people safe. Templates save you from reselecting colors and weights every single time. It's a clicks, not hours shortcut that keeps your map professional and easy to read for the machine operators. Part 4. Real-time mobile sync. This is the aha moment. Everything you mark in the office appears instantly on the Propeller mobile app. There is no exporting or emailing PDFs. It's one source of truth that updates as fast as you do. Field teams can see their live GPS location against those hazards and work limits in real time. This keeps them out of the no-go zones and on the right side of the design. When the field and the office are perfectly synced, your project stays on schedule. Part 5. The Handoff and Review. All your markups live in your folders for easy management. You can toggle them on for site orientations or turn them off for a clean look during a stakeholder presentation. You can even copy successful site setups to future flight dates to maintain continuity throughout the project lifecycle. And there you have it. You're now ready to turn your Propeller map into a live digital whiteboard. By mastering these tools, you've learned how to set a high-contrast foundation for your plans, build a standard visual vocabulary that your entire crew understands, and most importantly, bridge the gap between the office and the field with real-time mobile syncing.